What's up guys, Saif Ashraf here. Today we're going to be opening up the Google Pixel 8 Pro. This is the unboxing of the blue color, as you can see here. And yeah, this is the first Pixel unboxing I'm ever going to do on this channel for the first time. And also make sure to like and subscribe, because I also do have the Google Pixel Watch 2, which I'm going to be unboxing in a separate video. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss that. But without anything else said, let's get straight into the unboxing of this phone. So just looking around, we have Google Pixel 8 Pro and then the picture of the phone. Google on this side, Pixel 8 Pro on the other side. Got some information top and bottom, as you can see here. And yeah, so it just says here, got the 256GB version, and we have the bay blue color. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, let's get these tabs open and show you guys what you're actually here for. And straight up, as you can see, that blue color. Is there anything else in this box here? No, so put that to the side and we'll take out the phone. That is a really nice color. Let's put this to the side real quick just so I can show you guys what's in the box. So we get the adapter. This is probably used for like transferring from your old phone to your new phone. We have the USB-C to C cable, as you can see here. We also have, I'm guessing this is just a quick start guide. Yeah, this is just a booklet. I'm not gonna open this. Don't need to open that for now. But yeah, let's just put everything back in the box and we can look at the actual Pixel 8 Pro. So as you guys can see, let's peel off this. And yeah, that's your guys' first look of the Google Pixel 8 Pro in this bay blue color. As you can see, we have the camera visor, pretty thick visor. We do have some good cameras in here, so excited to check that out. The temperature sensor, the flash, of course we have the 3 lenses. And honestly, first impressions, this feels really nice. In my opinion, this actually feels better than the frosted matte black glass we have on the iPhone. But yeah, aluminium rails on the sides. Let's power this on for the first time. Oh wait, I pressed the wrong button. Okay, let's power it on for the first time. And there, turning on. So let's just look around the phone real quick again. USB-C, we got the speakers. And yeah, that's the Google Pixel 8 Pro unboxing. Now I'm just going to show you guys a couple clips. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, because I do have a couple camera comparisons, reviews coming out soon. And also, of course, the unboxing of the Pixel Watch 2. But yeah, this was the unboxing of the Google Pixel 8 Pro in Bay Blue. And yeah, roll the clips.